In this video, I will show you how to fix the authentication failed error message on Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So if you're getting an error message like this, follow along with me for a quick resolution to this problem. So here we are on my desktop. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner to your search icon down here, give that a click and type CMD into the search box. Underneath best match, you should now see the command prompt app. So what you want to do is right click and run this as an administrator. So what that's going to do is bring up a window like this. Now what you want to do is type the following commands. So you want to put ipconfig, then a space, then a /, and then flush DNS and press enter. Next, go ahead and type ipconfig space / renew, and then again press enter. Then go ahead and type the following, which is net sh space winsock space reset, and again press enter. Once that's done, go ahead and type exit and then press enter to exit from the command prompt app. So what you want to do at this point is go ahead and restart your system, and then we're going to do the second part of this fix. So once you've gone ahead and restarted your system, what you're going to want to do is come back down to your search icon, and this time you want to type control panel and open up the control panel app underneath best match. From here in the top right hand corner on this drop down box, you want to make sure you're on category. So you can see we've got large icons and small icons. You want to click onto category and then click onto network and internet. Now go ahead and click onto network and sharing center. And then what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto change adapter settings. So from here, you want to locate your internet connection. So you can see this is this one here where we've got the green bars. And then what you want to do is click onto this, right click, and then click onto properties. What's going to happen, this is going to open up a window like this. Now what you want to do from this list is locate Internet Protocol version 4. So this one here, and underneath you want to click onto properties. Next, at the very bottom, what you want to do is click this box where it says use the following DNS server addresses, and then type the following, which is 8888. And then in the alternative DNS server, you want to put 8844. Once that's done, go ahead and click OK, and you can close this down and come out of this. Again, from here, go ahead and restart your system, and that should fix this problem and allow you to play Roblox. So that's how to go ahead and fix the authentication failed error message on Roblox. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.